言って。
I have two trees I can have.
Okay.
So I brought them to a toy store and go home.
Go home? Who bought that for you?
And this is Baba brought me and Gigi brought me.
What's that?
It's
Show it to me.
it's from Junior and Fresh.
なんていう名前その電車。
Naughty Express those two ends.
動物園ってなんだっけ英語で。What's that in English?
Animal subways.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Do you like it both?
Yes.
Which do you like better?
This one?
Can I see? Oh, animals everywhere. That's so cool. Simon, are you having fun?
Yes.
Do you like Gigi?
Yeah, and Baba.
Do you like Baba too?
Yeah.